Good day, guys. This is just a continuation from the last course. Okay. I taught you guys 1, 2, 3 pattern, and I told you that I mainly use Fibonacci. Okay. Fibonacci is used in this type of situation. Okay. You can see this is a clear 1, 2, 3 pattern formed in boom 500. It just happened recently. Okay. And you can see it retraced. I told you guys the last course that if you know what the last course, please watch it so that you can know more what I'm saying. Okay, so you can see it retraced in the level 61. It's retraced in the level 61 in the zone of 61.8 and 50. I can see it sold. Okay, and I told you guys that when I told my students, okay, that you wait for 5 to 6. Then I gave them 5 to 6 or 7. About okay, there are 6 confirmation, because you can't just say okay it broke out in this zone. I told you guys a breakout in this zone we take a sell. Okay, you can't just take, market is not like textbook. Okay, that just follow and follows in one direction. I give you guys 6 confirmation or 7 to follow. Okay, and if 2 or 3 set up or 1, you will take it. Okay, so I won't be revealing it, but I can reveal just, let me just reveal one. Okay, this is a perfect one. When it broke out here, it broke out and retested the zone. It retested it and continued the sale. This is a perfect, this is a nice confirmation. Okay, so this is the zone, price broke it, retested it, then it sold. Okay, so you can now target me and my levels. Okay, let me remove this. So I taught you guys advanced Fibonacci. Okay, because this is the advanced way. You can see the levels are drawn. Okay, so I'll be uploading this video on YouTube, so I won't be talking much on it. But okay, so you can see, guys, this is a confirmation. It's retested it here, it broke out, retested it, and continued to sell. Then you can now target. I told you guys that you can now target your level 138.2. okay, you can now target this level for a TP. Okay, and you know these are to do. So this night I'll be teaching you guys I think Saita or harmonic pattern. So just stay tuned. Okay, and I think I'll be releasing some free course on harmonic pattern too, so just stay tuned to us if you are from YouTube. Okay, so just see, this is just a live market. Okay, it just happened recently. Okay, 1, 2, 3 pattern. For this I review only, as for free course I review only one confirmation. Okay, this is just one confirmation. I gave 6 to you guys yesterday, so this is just, as I'll drop in, I'll just review one. Okay, price broke it, retested the zone, then you can now sell till 180 138.2. okay, so you can just look back. Okay, practice more, learn more. Okay, learn more on how to use this type of market. Okay, and I trust me to be beneficial to you guys. Okay, so just if you have any question, just message me, guys. So stay tuned for the next course.